What's up, homies? It is your homegirl, Natalie, and welcome to the first video of 2024. Oh my god, I gotta sneeze. I told you every single time I'm gonna film, this guy like knows. He's like, well, why are you talking to people if you're not talking to me? Niño. Yeah, stretchy floor. All right, good boy. I'll be high five. Yeah. I had a wild party last night. Kidding. Had a photo shoot with Albie. Check it out on my Instagram if you want to see. But anyways, for today's video, I thought I would talk about, wait, what do I want to talk about? Oh, how you can look stylish in wintertime, okay? Because this is very important. I'm just tired of seeing the black sea of coats out here, okay? So let's change it up. Winter styling, it really is all about layers for sure, but really accessories. Not even just like your outfit, but what you wear over it. I, for the longest time, was just someone that wore my super long and like super thick padding. Like I'm just gonna wear like my cute outfit is underneath, but my outerwear is like meh. But I realized what really has elevated me is adding in these pieces to make the outside of my outfit look really cute. It just makes the outfit that I have inside look even better, you know what I'm saying? It's something to keep in mind. Obviously, you don't have to if you don't want to. If you really want to elevate your winter styling, you gotta do these. You gotta add a little bit of this, okay, into your look. So number one, you need a long coat, okay? You need a long coat. I have one in brown and it is honestly, I put this in like my winter essentials, but wearing that can just elevate a look put together without you really even trying. If you're wearing like a nice dress in the wintertime, you want to have like a nice like sleek coat, that's the coat. If you're wearing just like a sweater and some jeans or something, throw on that coat. If you're wearing your pajamas underneath, but you have to walk your dog, but you don't want to look like, damn, that lady just woke up, you put on that long coat, cute hat, little boots, boom, that's it, you done, girl. I would also suggest having this in maybe like a neutral color, because then it can go for like anything. If you're trying to be casual or you're trying to be dressy or whatever, I mean, it works, right? I really do love my brown one. I didn't realize like I would be such a girly that like loves brown, but turns out I really do love brown, yo. I don't know, brown is really speaking to me this winter time. I would suggest for this one having it just a little bit oversized, so then you can like put layers underneath it and everything, and it just looks a little bit more sleek. Now, on the opposite of that, I know we said neutral long coat. Now I'm looking for a pop of color coat, okay? In those two coats thus far this winter, I have been in them, okay? It just really adds a little bit something more to my outfits, especially having that pop of color. If I'm trying to be more bold, I'm gonna put that coat on. And the look of it is oversized, so I can layer a whole bunch underneath. It was really great. It makes me feel happy, and especially, like I said, in the sea of black coats that are up in wintertime, okay? Up in them streets, down in them subways, on them buses, in them cars. You just gotta add in a color, and a nice bright color. It's definitely gonna make you feel really happy, especially in the wintertime where, you know, it might be a little bit more gloomy, if anything. To me, it ultimately looks like you really care about your outfit. You care about the way you look because you wanted to stand out. This one could be just a solid color, or it could be a pattern. That would be also really awesome. Or something with a print. Yes. So what I wanted to say, any of these things I'm talking about, apart from probably stockings, I would say, you could find at a thrift. Check out your local thrift. There are online shops. There's Depop. You can thrift this. You can find this. Yes. The next thing I know is trending right now, especially with red, and that is colorful stockings. But apart from just red, okay, there's a whole bunch of other colors out there. I have personally been wanting to wear stockings for the longest time. But being that I live in Korea, it's really hard to find stockings that actually fit you because they tend to be one size, and clearly I ain't one size. Like many other bodies here in Korea as well, Korean women and foreigners alike. They gotta change that shit. Colorful tights is such an easy way to just wear regular schmegular little, maybe like a neutral or just maybe a little dress kind of outfit, but then you add in the tights and it truly just spices it up. Clearly, as we're saying, with the pop of red. I don't think like red is making it stylish. I just think there's just a hype around the color and people are just trying to wear it more because we see it all the time. We think, oh my god, that is so stylish. I don't think the specific red tight is. I just think tights are really cute. So definitely you should try to get some tights. I got mine off of Amazon. It's a really great way if I have a more of a neutral piece, let's say, but there is like a little pop of green or something, but I just want to add in more color. What will I do? I will wear some tights. I only have them in 3 colors right now, like baby pink, red, and blue, but I definitely want to get more. They make me so happy. And if I were to see someone with color tights on, one, I know that they are bold as hell. Okay. Just really try to wear any kind of color tights. And if that's scary, just start with something as simple as like colorful socks. Okay. If you're wearing like some jeans that you can see like this much of, your ankle area or whatever, wear some bright, colorful socks. It might then make you warm up to the idea of wearing something that takes up more of an outfit of your body and all that stuff. Baby steps, everyone, but trust me, colorful tights, it's just, God, it looks so cute. And especially out on these streets in Korea, if I see someone out in the streets rocking colorful tights, yo, so much respect. I love you for that. Keep doing you, boo. And automatically, I think you look cool and stylish. So the next the next thing is faux show funky glasses, which, dude, I think I lost mine. I went on a day trip with Janet and Mafe, and then from there, I don't know where it went. I think it might be in her car, but currently she's in America right now. So, girl, if you're watching this video, I think my glasses are in your car. Girl, I hope, because those were amazing and I love them. But yes, funky glasses is a great way of just styling up an outfit, of course, on the outside, adding adding a cool pair of sunglasses, that'll do it, man. That'll honestly do it. On top of that, there's so many different styles that you could try out and see like what fits best for your face. So, okay, on to the next thing. There are honestly not that many things, but hey, did you just scratch my face? And here's the other thing that you definitely need if you want to look stylish. Bro, get some really cool jewelry. Get some really cool earrings. You know what I'm saying? Like, I personally love seeing people just with like bold stuff. As I've always said, it could be like the missing piece to an outfit. I have so many different kinds of earrings. I have like ones that are really blingy. I have ones that are super big. I have like this like giant pom-pom earrings that I made. I have these really giant snowflake earrings that my sister made. I will link that also in the description box. They're absolutely gorgeous. She also made me these like giant flower ones. Trust, they are just it looks really cool when you're wearing some like bold earrings. I really like wearing something that's nice, bright, and bold, especially if my outfit isn't like doing too much, or if my outfit is doing too much and I'm trying to drive it even further. That's when I'll be wearing like some big ass earrings. But yeah, just having cool earrings. If you're someone that like likes little dainty stuff, thing is always in baby steps. Just try out like a size that's just like a little bit bigger, and the more comfortable you get with it, then you'll be able to start experimenting. So the next thing is, and this is the biggest one, is layering intentionally. Okay. And what I mean by this is you have an outfit on. Let's say we're going to have some cool tights. We're going to have some colorful tights, midi skirt, add in a turtleneck. Then we're going to add in a button up that has a cool collar. And then on top of that, we're going to add in a really nice sweater vest. The thing is, it's like every layer makes sense. It's not just, oh, I'm just throwing shit on to throw shit on. It's like, it's for a purpose. It looks cute. It makes the outfit look On top of that, let's use the layers to really showcase the outfit even more. Let's, make some cool silhouettes, all right? It's not just have to be like things on top of things on top of things. Let's add in volume. Let's add in textures. Let's add in a scarf that ties in the rest of your outfit together. Just things like that. That's what I mean about layering intentionally. I just think sometimes people just layer whatever because they're like, well, I'm just trying to keep warm. They're like, well, I'm just trying to keep warm, so I'm just going to throw on whatever. But it's like, no, dude, you could do this in a way that it's only going to elevate your outfit even more. So that's what I mean by layering intentionally. Hats are everything for winter styling. I personally am a beret girl, but I've been recently loving kind of like a bucket hat, but I have them big old hats, like them Jamiroquai kind of hats, and those are great. I think they're so cool. But definitely finding a hat that works for you, or even not. I mean, because sometimes I wear stuff that doesn't necessarily look good, but I'm like, I don't care because I like it. Trust me, hats, not only are they practical in keeping you nice and warm, but they also, again, they can also help in showcasing a color in your outfit a little bit more. And here's the thing. Yes, I'm talking about like colorful stuff, but obviously it doesn't always have to be colorful. And the thing with accessories, these are items that can really help you either tone down an outfit. I'm wearing a little bit too much. Maybe let's kind of tone it down a little bit. Just adding in like a neutral color like a beret or a scarf will do that for you. If you're someone that's just starting out with wearing colors, if you're like, okay, this is kind of like freaking me out because it's a little bit too much, just adding in a neutral brown or a cream or a black will really help you in not making it feel like you're wearing like a whole bunch of bright ass colors. You know what I'm saying? It'll just help you tone down something. And I guess that's it with how to dress more stylish in the wintertime. As someone who always had fire outfits, but when it came to wintertime, I was like, oh God, I'm just gonna throw on a big ass black jacket on top of it. And then once I get to my destination, then I could be like, bam, and here's my outfit. There definitely was a time and place for that. But not every single day in winter did I have to do that. Learning how to dress not only on my body, but like outerwear and things like that, and adding in accessories and stuff like that has really just elevated my winter styling. And I would say this year has been my best year yet. And I'm really excited for this new year that we're in, homies. Happy New Year, y'all. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you so much. I'm wishing you the best. Wishing you the best, okay? Let's go and get our happiness. Let's get our money. Let's go get our health, our wealth. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Avi, say bye-bye. Avi, wave. Avi, wave. Good boy. Bye. High five. Baby, you're the one I need. You're the one I want. 널 기다리고 있어.